Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Relax and enjoy lesson 31. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Plan. Decide. Choose. Agree. Refuse. Expect. Hope. Wait. Prepare. Risk. Chance. Result. Okay, listen to the English words again and repeat them after me. Plan. Plan. Decide. Decide. Choose. Choose. Agree. Agree. Refuse. Refuse. Expect. Expect. Hope. Hope. Wait. Wait. Prepare. Prepare. Risk. Risk. Chance. Chance. Result. Result. Very good. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Good plan. I will decide. Choose now. Do you agree? I refuse. I expect so. Hope for the best. Wait here. Prepare for work. A big risk. Take a chance. Good result. Good. Now, just listen. A man prepares for a job interview. He has a chance of a good result. The manager agrees that he should get the job. He can expect to get good news. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. Lucy has a good plan for her future. She wants to prepare well for a new job. She needs to choose her clothes for tomorrow. She will decide what to say to the manager. It is a big risk, but she must try. Her friends agree that she will do a good job. They hope she has a very good day. In the office, she sits down to wait. She did not expect such easy questions. She will not refuse to do hard work. She now has a chance to start a new life. Soon she will know the result. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Plan, decide, choose, agree, refuse, expect, hope, wait, prepare, risk, chance, result. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.